Thank you for using Employment Pathfinder from Creatability Concepts. This video will provide a tutorial for the advanced administration group controls that are used to create staff member and job seeker accounts, as well as administer group and company settings. Please note that your account must have group leader administration privileges to access the group controls features. With your group leader account, log into the Creatability web portal at girder.beam.care. After you've logged in, tap the Group Controls link on the left-hand sidebar and you should see a page similar to this one. This page is divided into multiple sections. Please note that not every section is applicable to Employment Pathfinder. Some of the controls on this page are used to manage multiple product offerings from Creatability. Starting from the top of the page, you will see a Manage Users section. The web portal term for user is actually a staff member for Employment Pathfinder. This section will let you create new staff members or delete them, and will also let you assign job seekers that the staff member can manage. Let's create a new staff member. Tap the Add New User button, and you'll be shown a simple form that only requires the staff member name, their email, and the password they will use to log into the Creatability web portal. After you create the account, the web portal will stay on this form in case you need to add multiple staff members. Tap the Group Controls button to return to the admin page. If you need to delete a staff member account, tap the trash can icon to the far right of their name. If you would like to see their activity on the web portal, tap Access Log to the right of their name. To change the staff member's password or to assign a job seeker to them, tap on Manage User directly to the right of their name. Adding a job seeker for them to manage is as simple as clicking the New Client dropdown. When you select the appropriate job seeker, tap the Submit button and you will see the job seeker's name appear above in the list of supported job seekers this staff member will manage. It's important to note that the same job seeker can be managed by multiple staff members. Adding a job seeker account is a slightly different procedure than adding a staff member. Tap the Add New Client button to create a new job seeker. Instead of taking you to a new web form, the job seeker account is added to the end of the list and labeled as Unnamed. Tapping on the Unnamed link will allow you to enter the name for this job seeker. Please note that this form uses the term system name. In some cases, the web portal manages multiple systems, not just users. In the case of Employment Pathfinder, system name represents the name of the job seeker. The name you use here will be displayed in the job seeker's job report, as well as in the Employment Pathfinder app once they're logged in. Just like the staff members section, you can delete a job seeker by tapping on the delete icon to the far right of their name. Also, just to the right of their name is listed the client ID for that job seeker. If the staff member does not assign a friendly, clear text ID for the job seeker to use in the Employment Pathfinder mobile app, the seeker will need to use this client ID to log in. Below the Job Seeker section is the Manage Webform Participants section. The functionality of this section is not currently used by Employment Pathfinder. Scrolling down, you will see a group logo and a group header graphic. Tapping Edit below either of these will allow you to upload an image to represent these items. It's important to note that the group logo graphic is used by the web portal and is displayed in the top left portion of this screen. The group header graphic is used inside the job seeker's job report PDF. If you scroll to the bottom of the page, you will see the Set Group Redirect section. This pull-down will let you choose which Creatability admin tool is launched when you tap a username on the main admin page. For instance, if you are managing users of the Flourish application, you may want to change this to Flourish to quickly get to that specific functionality when you tap a username on the admin homepage. If you are managing only Employment Pathfinder accounts, you should not need to change this value. Just below this section, you will see a button titled View Pathfinder PDF Reports. Tapping this button will show a history of all job reports that have been generated by the staff members, when they were generated, and which job seeker they were generated for. You can download any of the previously generated reports for reference. Also, on this page is a log of previous web administration performed by staff members. Towards the bottom of the group controls is the Group Auto Ads section. This pull-down will let you create a list of links that will appear in the sidebar for all user accounts. When they log into the web portal, these are the links they will see in their left-hand sidebar. At the very bottom of the group controls page, there are links for the Flourish application and do not currently apply to the Employment Pathfinder customers. The bottom link, titled 2FA Settings, is currently a beta feature, and once it is completed, it will allow setting up staff member accounts with two-factor authentication. One final note: as Creatability continues to develop new services and applications, additional functionality may appear in the group controls page from time to time, some of it related to Employment Pathfinder and some related to other applications. Thank you for your interest in Employment Pathfinder. If you have any questions or need support, please contact Creatability at support@creatabilityinc.com.